Assalamu alaikum. Hello and good evening. My name is Omar Abdullah Bafakas with Matric ID CP24138, Project Manager for Group Number 5. And I am here with my group's members Muhammad Zuhri, our tester, and Muhammad Daniel, our programmer, and Yasamir Artiana, our analyst, to discuss Modami system. In the beginning, I will cover question number 1 and 2. Then Yasamir will cover question number 3. Then Muhammad Zuhri will cover question number 4. Then Mohammed Daniel will conclude with question number 7. Now, let's start with the question number 1. Explanation from case study. Modabai considered a top online marketing place. It's released in 2007. And they have the highest used in online marketing place. And they have good reputation for processing and selling goods and services. Modamai have clear and simple design, which is make the platform very user friendly, and they are provide a lot of services for buyers and sellers, like free advertisement for sellers and direct connect link. Now for question number 2, the main interface of Modamine. The main interface of Modamine is simple and clear for users, as it's shown. On the top you can see all the categories, the central searching engine, and the middle you can see popular searching like apartment, cars, mobile phone, and one of the main advantages is updating advertisement for users to see everything's new in platform.
Question 3. Brief introduction of the website. Objective 1 is simple. Simple for buying and selling goods and services in Malaysia. 2 is enhance. Enhance the user experience by providing tools for browsing, posting, and communicating between buyers and sellers. Number 3 is support. Modamine support the local business by offering access to the marketplace to offer their product and services. Next is the info services. 1 is tool for buyers and sellers. Modamine has the tools that are designed to help users find what they want. Number 2, provide customer support that includes FAQ, email support, and mobile contract hotline. Number 3 is add item. Users can add and delete item they want. The last one is the expectation of Mudah.my website. 1 is provide high structures. Mudah.my ensuring the platform remains secure, reliable, and functional while addressing users and business needs. Number 2 is critical for major features such as listing updates, advanced search, and secure communication between buyers and sellers. The last one is testing and validation to confirm that new function meet user expectation and operate reliable. This includes design, development, implementation, and maintenance of the software tools that ensure the portal is functionality, usability, maintainability, and efficiency.
For the question 4, we choose process model, agile processing, incremental model. The phases of incremental model is specification. The activities is gather and analyze requirement, prioritize the features such as relay time and search filter and conversion tool, and define system functionality and technical specification. The development phase is incremental 1. Develop user-friendly interface, enable smooth browsing and navigation. For the second incremental, implement advanced search filter and for refine search by price, location and category. For the third increment is add account management feature for activity tracking, history and safe listing. For the validation is conduct functional testing to verify features, perform security reliability testing for safe payment processes, and for the evaluation is collect user feedback to identify improvement areas, release update to add new features and enhance the performance. For the expected delivery for each process activity, a specification, requirement document, comprehensive document of user need and expectation, use case diagram, visual representation of how user interact with the platform, the development, code-based repository, updated and well-documented code for all implement features, feedback and note from sprint review with stakeholder. For the validation, test cases and result, user feedback report, and performance metric to measure indicator of platform efficiency and user satisfaction. And lastly, evolution, change the request log, documentation of user request of marketplace demand, and update feature set, implementation of new features like chatbot for the customer support. There are two reasons why agile process, incremental process chosen. First, flexibility to change requirement. Agile adapt to mudah optimize dynamic e-commerce environment, allowing interactive development and validation. For example, developer can quickly add new categories like number plates without disrupting the process, ensuring long-term competitiveness. Second is faster delivery, delivers functional increment in each iteration, enabling stakeholder to validate requirement early. For example, feature like account creation can go live early, allowing user to engage with the platform while other features are developed to ensure the time delivery within 6 months of deadline. Here is our Gantt chart.
My name is Omar Abdullah Bafakas with Matrix KDC B2413A to discuss 3 integration styles that had been applied in case study for software system. The first one, direct manipulation interface. Consider one crucial style in modern system, which is allow user to filter, sort, and search to find their needs. For example, user searching for property can apply filtering for price, condition, and location. The second one, menu selection. Modern system will provide menu selection interface that show how organized categories such as property, electronics, jobs, and service. User can click on these categories to browse a list to choose what they need. Also, there are submenus. When user click about the categories, will show subcategories like apartment for sale. The second one, from fill-in. From fill-in enhance the usability for user in modern system, which is allow sellers to list their items by filling in fields for produce like description, price, and connect details.
For question 5, 3 interaction styles that had been applied in the case study for the software system. One is the menu selection. It is the browse category. As we can see here in the picture, below the popular search, it has category such as cars, number plate, property, pets, and others. Number 2 is the form fill interaction, that is post advertisement. When you want to post an ads, it has the button up in the right of the website, and you can see the form fill interaction. You can choose the types, what you want to sell, and so on. And last, the direct manipulation is in the listing item. As we can see here in the picture, it has listing item, different types of cars, and different types of apartment for sale. We can click the picture and we can see the information about the items.
Assalamualaikum and very good evening. My name is Muhammad Daniel Firdaus. My Matrix ID CB23131 and my role in this group is programmer. There are 3 interaction styles that have been applied in the case study for the software system, which is Mudah.my. The first one is form fill interaction that been applied in Mudah.my. Helps user to use the system easily. For example, the search function for the system, user only need to fill in the form by just entering the item that they want, and they can find it easily without having a problem to look every pages just to find the item. These interaction styles are crucial for data submission and ensure that listings are consistent and complete, enabling a better experience for user to look up to the thing that they want to search. The second one is menu selection. Menu selection is one of the most commonly used in interaction style in software system, offering a several advantage for the system designer and also the user of the system, which is Mudah.my. Menu selection is a serial Menu selection is a series of fixed options that will be showing in list or drop down. This way of interaction make it easier to make choice by giving users structured lines for navigation that make it easy to find relevant option without getting lost. The final one is direct manipulation. Direct manipulation helps users to easily navigate listing and find what they need on the listing. For example, the user of Mudah.my can directly manipulate the filter to refine their search, making the experience that want to know more natural.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Zuri bin Saiful Hafizi. My matric number is CB24098. Here I want to talk about my 3 interaction styles that have been applied in the case study for the software system. First interaction style is direct manipulation, that user interact directly with elements like product images and sliders. For example, filter dynamically update search result. Benefit for it is intuitive, user-friendly, and reduce cognitive load. For example, direct manipulation is from the picture here. Second is menu selection, that organize menu and submenus guide user efficiently. For example, category like vehicle to car or motorcycle like the picture shown here. Benefit for it is to ensure the consistency, familiarity, and minimize error for the user to use the menus. The third interaction style is form fill-in, that structure form for posting ads and refining search. For example, fill for the title, description, category, and the price, like this picture shown here. The benefit for it is systematic data collection, reduce ambiguity, and improve accessibility for the user.
Hello, my name is Omar Abdullah Bafakas, Matric ID CP24138, Project Manager, to discuss question number 6. Describe 3 factors that influence the confidence chain from verification and validation activities. Number 1, software function. Software function is the level of confidence is very crucial for software function in the online marketplace. And Mudah.my have a lot of functionalities that are considered as very crucial, like searching engine. As a project manager, I will give high priority for this function that is crucial during verification and validation process to prevent the error. The second one, user expectation. User expectation are user may have a low expectation or specific expectation from Mudah.my, like it will be simple and secure platform that can buy or sell the items. As a project manager, I will ensure the verification and validation testing to validate functionalities like what they are need, and that include testing usability to make sure the platform will deliver as expect user Mudah.my. The third one, marketing environment. This is factor it most impact in Mudah.my because marketing environment play crucial role in verification and validation for the platform. In this case, there may be marketing or business priority that press to the team to release the produce quickly before marketing show that it is free of defect. Sometimes the produce must be in the marketing quickly even though the system is not ready to launch. As a project manager, the main goal for Mudah.my is facilitate transition between buyers and sellers, even though the program is not fully done, because this is huge opportunity to expand in Malaysia marketing.
For question 6, describe 3 factors that influence the confidence gain from validation and verification activities for system analysts. 1 is system function, that is user confidence. Mudah.my enables clients to have confidence in the security of their transaction when buying cars online. Number 2 is the user expectation, which is security. Mudah.my implementing features like two-factor authentication via WhatsApp. The last one is marketing environment, which is trust. The use of verified sellers document and conducting market value assessment helps Mudah.my compete on its trust level.
There are three factors that influence the confidence gain from V&V activities. The first one is software function, the second one user expectation, and the third one is marketing environment. For software function, the case study mentioned that Mudah.my offer many categories for user like real estate, electric vehicles, and services. This gives buyer and seller lots of options. It also has helpful filter and a strong search engine, making it easier for user to find what they want. This shows that good search and filtering are important for great user experience. For the second one is user expectation. User of Mudah.my want a quick, easy, and accurate way to browse listing. They also value features that help build trust, like safe way to communicate between buyers and sellers. The technology helps by allowing direct communication, making it easier to negotiate, deal, and build trust. The last one is marketing environment. In the competitive world of e-commerce, Mudah.my stays successful by quickly adding new features and fixing problems. The case study says Mudah.my is a popular platform in Malaysia that helps users while constantly improving its services. This means it keeps growing and innovating to stay ahead in the market.
Here is my three factors that influence the confidence gain from verification and validation activity. First factor is software function. Software function is a core feature like search and filtering that must function flawlessly for this project. For example, the accurate product listing boosts user trust to use this platform. The testing that can be do is a strict defect testing to ensure the reliability for user to use this platform Mudah.my. Second factor is user expectation. User expectation is the experience for the user is to intuitive navigation and accurate result from from the from the search that user do from the filtering feature. The validation testing can be do by simulate a real world scenario, for example like high traffic for many user to use the website in short time, in single time. The outcome is to align the platform usability with the user need. The third factor is marketing environment. Time to market is to balance rapid release with quality that we assurance for the user. The approach that we focus is on critical function. For example, we do beta testing before launch the official system. The result that we will get is a competitive advantage just without sacrificing the quality with other competitor. Here is here is the example of software function that consider high critical. Uh, the function that consider highly critical is payment and premium features. The important is to ensure the secure financial transaction and revenue generation for the platform. The testing focus is to validate payment accuracy, billing, and the system reliance. The impact that we get is maintain user trust and support platform success. The example of the premium feature from Mudah.my is called Bump Your Ad, where the platform will be at the top of the list when the buyer use the platform, their product will get more attention from the buyer.
For factors that influence the software post-development, dedicate to maintenance cost factor. There are 4 factors that can influence the maintenance cost factor in software post-development, which is team stability, contractual responsibility, staff skill, and the last one is program agent structure. The 2 factors that can relate to the case study that we choose is team stability and program agent structure. For team stability, maintenance costs can be lower if the same team continue working on a project for a while. The case study says Buddha.my has a real-time update features that keep buyer informed with the latest product and service detail. If the same team manage the system, they will understand the update features better and know how to improve it efficiently. For program age and structure, as programs get older, their structure can become messy, making them harder to understand and change. According to the case study, Mudah.my has added more features over time, like account management and premium option for sellers. As the system grows more complex, adding new features could make the platform harder to manage and use.